Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a work order. So from the project manager's dashboard, we click the work orders icon, and that will take us to the work orders dashboard. And by default, we land on the pending tab. Now the pending tab lists all projects which have available work order items which are still in the pending status. So these items are pre-generated from the bid generator. But they have not yet been created and approved. So for a project and its work order items to appear here, it must first have a signed contract, it must have an approved diagram, it must have a project status set to scheduled, and it must of course still have work order items that are still in the pending status. So in this video we're going to be working with Ryan Robbins, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to click this plus sign here, and that will reveal all of the work order items available for this project. So in the case that we just want to create one work order for the entire project to get it done in one go, we could select this button here, and that will automatically select all of these items. We can click batch actions and create, and so on. Or if we wanted to just create one work order out of one of these items, we could locate the item, go over here to the create link, and click that to proceed with creating a work order for that item only. But in this case, in this example, we're going to create a two-part project. That's two work orders. Let's say the customer has requested that we come out and remove the gutters. We remove any debris of some existing gutters that's not coming down, and then we also do some drip edge work. So we've selected these three items. We click batch actions and create. We're taken to the create work order screen. We select a project date. Let's say it's going to be on February 6th. Let's say it's first in line. It's the first project of that day. We assign this to crew A, for example, and add any notes we wish here. Once we have this filled out, we click submit work order. Yes, we're sure. And OK. And then we're taken over here, and we see that this first work order number 89 for Mr. Ryan Robbins, appears here. And we can see that all of those three items that we selected appear here. So now let's say we've already completed that work order, and it's time to go ahead and create the next one. So we can go over here to Ryan Robbins, and now we're going to create a work order for the remaining items. So we're going to go ahead and click this to select all, and batch actions, create. We select a project date. Let's fast forward to the next week. Crew. Let's say we want to assign this to crew B. We can enter notes here if we need to or not. Submit work order. Yes, we're sure. And then we're taken to the open tab, where we can see now that we have two work orders for this project. And you can see that the remaining three items that we selected are now listed in this project. Now, most likely, this first project, or this first work order number 89, would have already been completed before we created the second one. But that's not necessary. We can have one or more work order items listed in this tab. There is no restrictions on that. So that's just a quick demonstration, just showing you how we can separate a project into one or more work orders, and we have a lot of flexibility as to which items we assign to which work order. So hope this video helps. See you next time.